Have you been requested to achieve an ISO certification but have no idea where to start? There are many certifiable standards, including ISO 9001 for quality, ISO 14001 for environment, ISO 45001 for health and safety, ISO 27001 for information security, and ISO 22301 for business continuity. Confused? Your first move is to contact QEC UK. Visit qecuk.com or email info@qecuk.com. They're friendly and honest and will be able to help you on the right path. They will take you through the process asking questions about your business. Asking questions like, do you have the right levels of resource? Do you have processes and good control over your documentation? Do you think you need training or an independent consultant? Once ready, then you can be assigned an assessor and a plan for initial assessments. Stage 1 assessment provides a clear focus of the documented management system. Stage 2 assessment allows evaluation and effectiveness of your management system. At the end of your assessment, the assessor will discuss the findings and, if any, will discuss a plan of action. Once a positive decision has been made, you'll be issued with your certificate and start a 3-year assessment pattern. Annually, a surveillance assessment, and every 3 years, a recertification. So if you're ready to go or need to know more, contact qecuk.com or email info@qecuk.com. We are here to help.